everyone, my name is Abhiram and I am studying in Grade 3B Orchids International School, Mysuru. This is my art kit. With the help of it, we can make flowers. I have made different colors of flowers and I am going to show you how to make a flower. You need origami paper, a pencil and a scissor. First you have to fold like this. Fold like this and then fold like this and fold like this. And you have to draw and draw a line and a U shape at the edge like this. And you have to cut the U shape, and when you cut, you get the shape like this and flower. Thank you.